Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ano po itong tinatawag na right against self-incrimination? Kailan po ito pwedeng gamitin at saan? Last week, when Alice Guo was brought back to the Philippines, the people are actually expecting a more informed and communicative answer on her part with regard to this Pogo issue. But it turned out that her second Senate grilling was even worse than the first. Talagang sagot niya kung hindi ko alam was I invoke my right. She was actually pertaining to her right against self-incrimination. Talagang naburyo talaga mga senador. And ngayon nga, ito naman si Attorney Galicia ay same din ang ini-invoke kasi siya yung nag-notarize sa counter affidavit ni Alice Guo. So, sabi niya, ini-invoke niya ang right against self-incrimination din. So, what is this right against self-incrimination? Itong karapatan na ito, it finds its source sa Constitution natin. Thus, under Section 7, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution, it states that no person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. As a rule, itong right against self-incrimination may be invoked only when a person, either an accused or a witness, or someone who is charged with a crime or believed to be involved in a crime, is asked a question calling for an incriminating answer, since the person has no way of knowing in advance the nature or effect of the question directed against her or him. So when Alice was asked if she has connections with the one who helped her and her correspondence na makatakas sa Pilipinas, such question calls for the invocation of the right against self-incrimination. Since Alice and others are, alam naman natin, now at the center of numerous complaints for money laundering, human trafficking, and other cases. Kung sumagot kasi sila noon, the same will be tantamount to an admission of an act on their part na magdidiin sa kanila sa kaso. Under the law, admission is equivalent po sa guilt, kaya ito ang depensa nila. Kailan available itong right against self-incrimination? The right is available not only in criminal prosecutions, but also in all other government proceedings, including civil, administrative, and now itong legislative investigations. It may be claimed not only by the accused, but also by any witness to whom a question calling for an incriminating answer is addressed. So, during sa last po na Senate investigation, marami po actually questions doon that would entitle Alice Guo to invoke her right against self-incrimination. Kaya okay lang kung hindi siya mag-answer kasi after all, the forum talaga or the right forum to shed light on the issue is none other than our courts of law. And ang mga nangyari lang ngayon sa Senado, itong mga pagtatanong, are only in aid of legislation sa paggawa, pag-amyenda, or pag-improve ng batas. It has nothing to do with finding proof beyond reasonable doubt for the culpability of an accused. Kahit pa malaki ang sakop ng mga na venues and instances kung saan pwedeng ma-invoke ang right against self-incrimination, meron pong mga instances na hindi po ito mag-a-apply. Hence, the rules provides that the right against self-incrimination is simply against the legal process of extracting from the lips of an accused an admission of his guilt. It does not apply to where the evidence sought to be excluded is not incriminating statement, but an object evidence. Thus, when a person or an accused is required for fingerprinting, photographing, production of his urine, or to undergo paraffin test, the right against self-incrimination does not apply. In fine po, di po talaga pwedeng pilitin ang isang tao to divulge an information that may tend to incriminate him or her. At kung sakali naman, despite sa reluctancy ng accused, ay nakuha sa kanya ang sagot na gusto na nagtatanong, ang admission po na iyon ay inadmissible pa rin or hindi maaaring gamitin sa kanya. Kasi, violative po iyon ng constitutional right niya against self-incrimination. So, wala din mangyayari. Mas maganda, di na lang talaga siya pipilitin. At doon na lang i-prove sa presentation ng mga evidence against him or her. Sana po ay may natutunan tayo today. Salamat po!